Hello, everyone. For the Codegeist 2020 Hackathon, we built an Atlassian Connect app named PairUp, focused around improving remote work of teams by leveraging tribal knowledge within the organization. Before we dive into the app, I'd like to introduce our team. I'm Siddharth, and this is our team, and we are composed of two developers, two designers, and a data scientist. As the agile coach on my team, one of the most frequent problems I deal with is assisting teammates to identify the best person who could help unblock their bug and enable them to make progress. In large organizations such as mine, this becomes challenging because of vertical engineering teams that own a piece of the product from end to end. Experts in a particular layer of the product stack are separated out into different teams with restricted communication channels. These vertical teams also lead to silos of essential knowledge within the organization. In an engineering team, for instance, this goes beyond the code base, with tribal knowledge about tech debt and processes that were accumulated over years of working in specific areas that are not captured by most tools. This is further compounded by most teams working remotely given the current pandemic. You just can't turn around and ask for help. Although tribal knowledge is hard to document, important insights can be inferred from issue tracking systems like Jira. Our approach dynamically scores every person's tribal knowledge in a given set of topics using Jira, as Jira already captures the complete history of issues for an organization, along with details of people fixing it. Our app, PairUp, constructs and consumes people and keyword knowledge graphs. Upon installation, PairUp analyzes descriptions of all issues using project custom IBM Watson NLU models to derive relevant keywords and construct the project knowledge graph. Additionally, we create people knowledge network by overlaying people who work to resolve these issues. With that setup, PairUp scans the contents of the issue and identifies the best set of people who would have the expertise to help. Let us now see PairUp in action.
Hi, I'm a developer currently working on a Jira issue related to ASUS BIOS. I don't have the knowledge nor the expertise to solve the problem, but I can use the PairUp app to find the experts in the organization who worked on similar issues in the past. When you open the PairUp app, it identifies the keywords from the summary and description and uses the knowledge graph to dynamically rank people who worked on similar issues and give recommendations. On the screen, you can see Gary has been a recommended expert with respect to ASUS BIOS issues. Let's see what all issues has he been working on. As you can clearly see, Gary has been working on a lot of ASUS BIOS related issues, and that's why he's been recommended to us. This not just works with existing Jira issues in the project, but it also works with newly created or updated issues on the fly. Let's go create a new Jira issue with respect to a memory dump. When the Jira issue eventually gets created, we use webhooks to capture the information and update the knowledge graph accordingly. Once we go into the newly created issue and open the PairUp app, we can see the recommendations for experts. In this case, Lucille has been a recommended expert with respect to memory dumps. Let's check out what Lucille has been working on. As you can see, Lucille has been working on a lot of memory dump related issues, and that's why he's been recommended to us. Clearly, PairUp has saved me a couple of hours finding the right experts.
As you saw in the demo, the app helps you discover and share the tribal knowledge between your teams. Whether you're working remotely or you're a brand new member on a team, you're now just one click away from finding a person who can help you. PairUp has a lot of potential and opportunities for growth. We've only scratched the surface as part of this hackathon. By integrating with Confluence, we can make the knowledge graph more accurate and targeted. Integrating with tools like Slack will make the collaboration easier and seamless. We are using the Atlassian Connect framework to create the Jira issue glance. In the backend, we're using AWS Lambda and DynamoDB to process and analyze Jira issues in real time. The cloud-based design makes the application scalable and reliable. IBM Watson is an industry leader in AI and machine learning, and we are leveraging their technology to build the knowledge graph and find relevant people. Thank you for your time. You are now ready to pair up. Feel free to reach out to us for any questions or comments. Thank you.